Okay, well, you want to say hi?
No, kidding. That's fine.
Okay, ready? So I'm gonna say my name, and then Roxy says her name, and then you say your name.
No, stop.
Okay, ready? My name's Manuela.
My name is Roxy.
Let's see the gentleman.
Hey, so count them all. Go, go, go.
Like Johnny. Here is loser again.
I'm like her loose.
Let's see the gentleman. Let's see Abado.
Brian.
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 Hey.
Yeah.
Okay, so now that you guys know all of our family history, Tita, what do you want to do today?
Yeah, mister. Done. Good. You.
What do you want to do today? Makeup? Okay.
Yeah. Where are you?
I want to do makeup too.
Me too.
Where are you?
Me too.
Yeah, all done.
Can I do it?
Yes.
On you?
Okay. Later, me, you.
Oh, okay. She does yours first, and then you do our later.
Yes.
Okay, deal. Okay, perfect.
Hello, you sit over there.
I
Fine.
sit up here.
We have a director in the making. How old are you?
Oh no.
16.
I think my birthday is Saturday.
It's not on Saturday.
Yeah.
Say, my birthday's November 1st.
No, happy. And June.
And
Okay, I'll come here.
oh, in June she's going to Colombia.
Okay, yeah.
And I you.
Huh?
When you leave?
Yo me voy with you in June.
Yo me voy
you.
with you in June.
Enough.
This is, you guys know Manuela. This is her sister. Right? You're Manuela's sister?
Your friends, Roxy.
Yeah,
Castano.
Roxy, and they know.
I love you.
Best friends forever.
Javeria. Go to college. The Sunday.
What's her name? Val, that message was for you.
I love you, Nia. How about it?
One more. You.
No, Hulu.
One more, baby. You made me put you in the eye. I'm sorry. One more.
I don't mind.
I love.
You ready?
This is, what?
Oh, you have to show it.
Oh, show it. Okay, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette. The same one I used on Manuela in my other video.
Me too.
Okay.
It's so funny.
Ready? Close your eyes. You're so beautiful. Okay. She's literally crying.
No.
Yeah, you're laughing.
Birthday, Roxy.
Thank you. Oh gosh.
It's funny.
You happy?
I'm creepy.
Eso. There.
And look.
Okay.
What's your favorite color, babe? Pink or purple?
Bye.
Mood.
Pink or purple, babe?
I'm busy.
Oh, okay. You're busy. Sorry.
Mila, this is really important. We're really busy.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
My best friend.
Oh, guys. You're so pretty.
I'm so pretty.
More like you.
Manuela and me are so pretty. Thank you. Close your eyes.
I want you to...
Okay. She wants to show the camera.
Okay, you want to show the camera?
No, you, me.
Okay, me. So we're then going with the Lancome.
Roxy.
Tinted cream.
It's so funny.
It's so funny.
Ooh, wow. That's
Wow.
what big girls use.
Manuela.
I'm so
It's a
happy.
BB cream.
BB cream is just basically, it's like, this has sunscreen so you can like wear this in the summertime and stuff. So,
But like what?
I mean, it doesn't have that much coverage.
Oh, okay.
Like, it's not like crazy foundation.
Oh, okay.
You feel?
And yuck.
Okay. New York.
So
Hey.
Her foundation is done. We're then going with some e.l.f. powder.
Enough.
I'm not.
Say enough, cough. That's it. So we're just doing some simple powder, right?
Eso.
Stop making fun of me. I gotta talk to everybody.
Why?
Because they want to know.
Just tell them. Tell them what she's using.
Eh? Okay, run.
Okay. Now, the most important part, right? Yeah. Highlighter. What color? What color?
You're cute.
What color? Thank you. What color should we
That's
do?
Suena.
What color? What color do you want to pick?
Pick one.
That's the name.
Kitty cat.
Nice.
That one?
Okay.
We're doing this one, guys.
Aw, that's sweet.
Oi! Oi, mamacita. Alright, she's glowing, right?
Like this. Are we gonna do the thing?
Eso.
I'm just combing her eyebrows.
No. ¿Es qué?
It's blush.
We
Flush.
switch places.
Oh, it's flush.
Oh, it's flush, yeah. So she's using the Tarte Flush
Es flash. ¿Es
Oh,
verdad?
and a fresh.
¿Qué?
brush.
Flash. A ver, ya. Mira ese nombre. Ella.
I'm Roxy.
Ah, sí. Maxim, come here.
Okay, go
Oh, I have to sit.
Down.
It's already
Yeah.
better than I do.
Mire. Okay.
It's really a look, you know? We're going for the all blush all around the face.
Flush.
What time?
Flush, sorry.
Heel geloof.
Oh, sorry.
Nog een lip.
Oh.
Okay, this kid.
At least she knows. What else?
Side.
Going with bronzer.
Okay, you're so pretty. You go with airplane.
Say bronzer.
Pardon?
She blows it.
Oh. See, she learned.
Blows.
Tita, do you watch my videos?
Yes.
Yes? Wow, that really looks good.
No, go this side.
Oh, this I say.
Heel geloof.
Oh.
Bye,
Thank
brush.
you. Bye, brush.
Bye, brush. No more brush.
Look. This side.
Actually, we're doing some highlighter.
Oh, Mia.
How could I forget that?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Wait here. What's her name?
Highlight.
Highlighter on the eyelid. It's a new thing.
No, on this side.
Also.
Heel geloof.
Her glow looks so good,
Okay.
though. Good?
Yeah.
Oh. Let's see.
side.
Let's go for like a subtle pink.
Good.
Give me a kiss.
We're gonna go for like a really subtle pink.
It's good.
Eso.
She shows it.
Good job.
Saturday?
It's for Saturday.
No. Sorry. Sunday. Okay.
Oh, Sunday.
Sunday.
No, cooking.
Okay,
Creo
thank you.
que ya lo vi hoy.
We took care of our brother, Gina.
Y verdad. Muy macizo. Qué pretty. Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
That's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Roxy.
Roxy!
Hey, yeah. I mean, I already have makeup on.
Yes.
Not
Him?
super white one. Yeah, that's my hair.
So, more the black one.
Lip.
Flip
care
it.
about this brush? Blending brush.
No.
That's okay.
This is for the eyes. But did you show the palette?
It's okay.
It's so good.
Yeah.
It takes concentration.
See. It's
It's a little heavy.
no, I like this look. It's like a vampy.
Mm-hmm.
Asami? Is it Asami?
Uh-huh.
Okay. A zombie.
Oh, yeah.
Manuela. Ya.
Repete.
Sí, respete. I love it.
I love it too.
It looks so good.
Go.
Do you think I look beautiful still?
No move.
Don't move.
Ow! It's in my eye. It's really in my eye.
Awesome.
Okay. Do you want something else now? You want to work with something else?
Repete.
Swear to God.
Okay.
Lipstick.
Asami?
I want to do some bronzer too.
That's good.
Yeah.
What's the
I'm
bronzer brush?
making.
You like it?
Is this a bronzer brush?
Try.
Is this a bronzer brush?
Oh, she wants me to be a zombie.
Oh.
She literally just went, try it.
Is this a bronzer brush?
Oh, we're going for a zombie look. Yo, this. Oh my gosh, she's so smart. Yeah.
Very.
She wants me to be a zombie, so this is so good.
Okay, enough. Enough.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. No, we're here. The camera's right here.
She wants me to be a zombie. I can't get over that. Like,
Zombie?
this is such a zombie look.
It is.
I told you, and see, I understood her more than you did. Mm-hmm. I love it.
Okay, it's on me.
Mm-hmm. Zombie. Beautiful.
Zombie.
And then
Wait.
wait. And then now you want the lipstick? Oh.
Your nose. The top. That.
That.
1, 2, 3. That's good. Down. Asami. Down. This. On this side and top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love it.
Camera the lipstick. No, here.
What is happening?
No.
She knows. Yeah, she knows.
Come on, serious.
I close. I bite. Tap. Salik.
Stop licking it.
Hate.
She hates it.
That's on me. Side.
What am I think?
That's on me.
What should I do?
Ooh, I look tan. Yes. I like this. It's Heather. Jenna is my mom, yeah.
Is it
What
two-
color are you using?
Two colors.
Two colors,
Oh, no,
yes.
what brush?
Go ham. Go ham.
There.
I love it. Yes, I've always wanted to glow like this. I have always wanted to glow like this. My sweatshirt too.
Oh, you're fine. You saw me, okay?
I'm a zombie, I forgot. How?
Sorry.
Yes.
You saw me.
Yes, on the bridge of my nose. Make it look smaller. Snatch it. Oh my god, my skin is glowing. Now
It's in my turn. It's gone.
It's gone.
Okay, hate. Okay, bye.
alright. Now that you've watched me beat her face and watch her beat ours.
Hey, I talk, please.
It's her. It's her.
Oh, you.
No, no kidding.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Tita, whose do you think is better? Me or Manuela's?
Las dos.
Las dos. Okay.
Both
Yeah.
of ours.
Who is it? I make it Roxy.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Moving up.
I think
That's
I
me.
look amazing.
Me.
Yeah, personally, I think Roxy looks
Honestly-
better.
That's no best of me. But no, you mean.
Oh. Mwah.
Yay! Clap.
Tita, you don't need makeup to look beautiful. Because you're already beautiful. Thank you guys for watching.
Say thank you.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
This is this is going on YouTube.
Say hi, YouTube.
No.
I hope you guys all enjoy this. This is so much fun to make. Hopefully we can make another one. Tita, you want to make another one a different day? In 2 weeks?
That's 2 minutes.
Okay. Well, maybe you won't see her again, but this is a lot of fun to make. Yeah. I think that's it. Say bye. Say bye already,
Already, I love you.
Bye bye.
I love college. That's